In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product to your online store, set the price, and use a test payment method to finalize an order. This process involves using the sandbox environment to ensure everything is functioning perfectly before you go live with real transactions. Let's dive right in. First, let's focus on adding a product to your platform. Begin by navigating to the product management section of your online store dashboard. There should be an option to add new product. Click on this to bring up the product entry form. Here, you'll start by entering a clear name for your product, something that captures its essence and will attract potential buyers. Next, provide a concise and informative description. This is your opportunity to tell your customers why they should choose your product, so highlight its features, benefits, and any unique selling points that you think will catch their attention. Once you've crafted a compelling product listing, it's time to set your price. This part is crucial as the price reflects the value you're providing and it directly influences your sales. On the same product entry form, locate the section marked Price. Here, you want to input the amount you intend to charge. Remember to consider factors like product cost, competitor pricing, and perceived value when determining this number. Sometimes including a sale price or an introductory offer can help to capture early interest, so consider these options if they align with your strategy. With your product details and pricing set up, it's now essential to ensure the purchasing process works smoothly before going live. This is where the test payment method, using a sandbox environment, comes into play. The sandbox is a safe testing ground that mimics the live environment without involving actual monetary transactions. Within your payment settings, you should see an option labeled Sandbox or Test Mode. Ensure this option is enabled. Then, using the test payment details provided within your platform, such as dummy card numbers, proceed to place an order for the newly added product. Choosing a test payment method will simulate a real purchase, allowing you to experience the buying process just as a customer would. You'll receive notifications or confirmations as if a real transaction occurred. This simulation helps to verify that everything from adding a product to completing a transaction is functioning correctly. Confirm that all notifications, order summaries, and confirmation emails display accurately, as this will assure you that the customer experience is seamless. Once the order completion simulation shows that everything is in working order, you can feel confident that your setup is ready for the real customers. Remember, testing is a fundamental step in launching any product and guarantees that your store is prepared to handle actual orders smoothly. This approach